Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share on this crash. Continuing liquidation event of the century. As old Vincenzo's been telling you, as you see Zill down another 16%, Algo 13, Bitcoin down to 27,783, Dogecoin down 10 more percent, ADA down 12, SOL down 12%, DGB's up 4%. Look at, we got a bit XSS up 20%, XDC up 26%, Quant. I remember when Quant was way up here. As you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as that's right, old Vincenzo's brought back truth and integrity back into the trading market. You can see Digital Asset Dad brought Quanta into this, and you can see it had this huge pump, and we had that $45 target when the price was up here at $429 with that massive blow off top. And Quant, we had the Jabroni Killer and Duck Hunter coming on up, as we knew it was coming back to the shithouse. And you can see Quant has made it back to the top part of the shithouse at $45. And your next target in Quant, even though nobody cares about Quant no more, is all the way down here at $21, right? And you can see now, if you look at Bitcoin, it's down 4%. It's trying to bounce now. And if we zoom into the 4-hour time frame in Bitcoin, what I would watch out for Bitcoin today is, yesterday you broke down out of this blue ring, or my little price. Oh, I put it back down. The 20,850 is your next target where you're going. But right now, what you could be doing is a little bit of a consolidation and in Bitcoin. And if you're trying to get any kind of bullish, you got to get back up into here and trade up into in between that blue ring and orange ring. But right now, this looks like you're getting ready for the next leg down. And I think 21,000, you're going to get there very quick. And you better hope you get some support there, because at 21,000, there will be buyers there. And 21,000 was a targeted move from this bearish continuation pattern after that mountain double top that we were telling you was ultra bearish. You go from the top of the head, you got this rising channel here after this flush, which this is the flag, this is the pole that I'm measuring, and then you bring this down to a targeted move. And look at where the targeted move gets you, right down there to that $20,000 mark, right? See that? See how good that works? And that's where you're going next in Bitcoin, and that's going to be a pretty big fall from the current price that's already beaten down. That's another 25% or $7,181 in Bitcoin, and it's going to go there. Algo, you can see you broke down, and you're holding some support at the bottom part of this area where we had our profit taking, because we had a phenomenal short here. And you can see now we're getting rejected. When we come back up right now in Algo, if you get up into this green area and you get rejected, you're going to start to trade down, and your next underneath target is 28 cents. But if you can get back up into this green support zone, you can trade back up the top part of that support zone, which is at about 48 cents, right? So that's what's going on there. You can see XRP is the same thing. We flushed through the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone, to the shit house in orange. And XRP, if you get rejected off of this, your next underneath support is all the way down here at 29 cents. And this is a pretty big flush that's going to take place. It's going to be painful, and it's going to be a flash 23% fall. If you're trying to get bullish, you got to get over this 37 cents, get back into this orange support zone and hold it as support. And then you could try to trade up to the top part at 47 cents. That's what it's looking like there. The coins are very bearish. We're going to give you a lot of updates today. I have a big work meeting, try to get some more money. So we'll see how that goes a little bit later on today. But you can see Bitcoin 2021 gains wiped out and stable coins that you guys were talking about. It was just a made up word like transitory inflation. There's nothing called stable coin. There is no stable coin in crypto, right? As you can see, this one stable coin, Luna, is went bankrupt, right? Hong Kong, May 12th, cryptocurrency expands their sell off Thursday with Bitcoin falling to its lowest level in 16 months as a stampede out of the so-called stablecoin sent shockwaves around broader markets, right? Everyone's flushing out of these. Terra Luna down 99%. Uh, Also one of the world's biggest cryptocurrencies, not anymore. Bitcoin dropped to 25,400, its lowest since 2020, December 28th, right? Lost a third of its value from its peak of 69,000. It's lost nearly 75% of its value. Terra Luna, also known as UST, slipped below its 1-to-1 peg to the dollar this week. It did more than that, it almost went bankrupt. The collapse of the peg at Terra USA has some nasty and predictable spillovers. We have seen broad liquidations, as that's a key word old Vincenzo's been using, the year of liquidity crunch and a liquidation crisis in crypto, BTC, Ether, and all the alts, said some asshole. Stablecoins are digital tokens pegged to the value of traditional assets such as US dollars, right? If you want a US dollar, just buy US dollars. They don't go US dollars will never go down 99% in one day until the currency's gone. Unlike these coins that people say are quote stable and or the best place to put your money in Bitcoin, like that Carl from the moon, the shyster says, no, Carl from the moon, my dollars in the bank that had $50,000 worth of buying power yesterday still have $50,000 worth of buying power today. Your Bitcoin that have $50,000 in buying power yesterday only has $20,000 in buying power today. Yeah, that guy's a fleece heister and shyster to the most extreme degree, and you guys need to be out ahead of that and stay up to date on these shysters telling you to keep all your money in crypto or any kind of altcoins or NFTs or any of this other bullshit. You do not keep your net worth in crypto or NFTs or altcoins or any of these other crypto quote assets. There are no crypto assets that you can exchange, say, XDC for some nonsense, right? Stay away from that. Stay away from these heisters. Stay with old Vincenzo, and we'll keep you out of it. Peace and love.